In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use TikTok on your Windows 10 PC with your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the first step is to go ahead and click on your taskbar, and then in the taskbar just type store to go to the Microsoft Store. And then you can see I'm on the app that we need. But if you don't know what this app is, it basically allows you to mirror your Samsung Galaxy phone onto your Windows 10 PC, allowing us to use TikTok. So just search up in the search bar of the Microsoft Store your phone. It should pop up there, and then you click on it, and it's a very small install file. So when it's installed, you just click on launch, and it will look something like this when you open it up. But if it's the first time you're launching the app, it's going to ask you to set up your phone with it to link it. So I'm going to move this to the side, and I'm going to pull up my phone on the left hand side so you can see what I'm doing alongside with this app. So since I've paired it before, I need to go onto my phone, and I've got a Samsung Galaxy S21, and if I just swipe up and then search for on the Samsung search bar, you want to search for link to Windows. It should pop up. There it is. And then you just want to go and click on there where it says quick panel, click on link to Windows, and then click on details. Now what I'm going to do is turn it on, obviously, and then I'm going to click on add computer, and now it's prompting me to go to a web browser where I need to type that in. So I'm going to go onto a web browser on my computer like it says, and type in aka.ms/add computer, and then just hit enter. Now it pops up here, open your phone, which is the app we just installed from the Microsoft Store. So click on that, and now it says if you're asked for a PIN, enter this code on your phone. So I'm going to click continue on my phone, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter in the PIN it gave me, and then click on done, tap on continue. Now it says it's pairing with my PC, and that will just take a moment. Okay, you can see it says all set, you're all done here. View your photos, send text messages and more from your PC. So tap on done, and now the desktop has been linked. So I can click on the computer, let's go. And then if I go to where it says apps over here and click on apps, and then from here I click on open phone screen. If you let this refresh, it will load up all your apps here where you can go ahead and click on them. I'm going to open up my phone screen by clicking on that, and a pop-up appeared on my phone. You just have to tap on start now, and it's going to load up the phone screen onto my desktop computer. And there you can see I have my phone on my PC, and you can swipe and it works. So I can go ahead and open up TikTok, and I can actually let go of my phone and use my mouse to scroll through TikTok. Now because my Wi-Fi isn't the best, it is a little bit laggy, but it should work perfectly on a stable Wi-Fi connection. So you can see it works by scrolling on TikTok. So you can see you can scroll with your mouse, you can click on your profile, go to your profile. Now if you actually want to upload a TikTok video and you click with your mouse in the plus to go and make a new TikTok, you will have to use your phone to go ahead and create a TikTok video. So you can just press the record button. If I click on the record button in the middle, you can record. So that's the only downside, you have to use your phone to record a video, but you can see it works perfectly fine. You can close that out if you don't want to record that. So I'll discard that, and you can just continue browsing. I think most people will use this just to browse TikTok without having to pick up their phone, which is nice. So that would be how you use TikTok on your Windows 10 PC with your Samsung Galaxy phone. I'll try to find a list of all the supported devices and link that in the description so you can see if your phone is compatible with this. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.